guess what? I'm up here in a beautiful spot, crisscrossing the mountainside, right? And I got smart this time. I brought the binoculars. Well, I can't show you from here, but I climbed up to the top of this hill, and I'm scanning, and guess what I see? If I can get that on the camera, what I'll do is I'll enlarge it and I'll put it in. And it's finally paid off. And I think the binoculars are pretty much what changed the whole game for me. And I am pretty happy because I just found a fox skull, a kit fox skull. Yeah, see, I was going to go up there, and then I turned around right there, and I glassed the area, and I finally found what I was looking for. I can go on vacation now. I can take a much-needed break. I need it. I could really use it. Oh, my goodness. I am thrilled to death. Who's up there? A big old turkey vulture casting a giant shadow like a big old jet. Okay, so we're coming up on it. Let's see if you can see it. Can you see it from here? Now, I don't have my glasses on. I got a glare. But it's right about center screen. Yep. And with the glasses, I was way up there. Not too shabby, huh? So let's go see what we found. And I just walked past it too, because I originally came from over there, went down below where the skull is. Oh my God, it's a European mount too. And then I went down into that hollow. I was going to drop down across the old road, and then I came back up and I said, nah, let's go up. Let's go up higher. And I was standing over by this hemlock here, and I was checking it for disease. And then I go up and up and up, turn around and look, and I not only find a shed, but a European mount. So I gotta wonder, this looks like it's been around for a while. It looks like it's been chewed. I might just leave this one, but it sure is pretty. I don't have a backpack. Yeah, this one's been here a while. My goodness, look at this. Wow. Yep. Boy, rest in peace. My goodness. Let's take a closer look at it. Gotta get my glasses out. Yeah, this guy's got moss growing on him. Pileated woodpecker up there somewhere. Straight ahead, about 12 o'clock. Okay, let's take a good look. And we've got some pretty old teeth. I know a lot of you guys will probably know a lot better, but when I was working with horses years ago, the sharper they got, the older the deer was. But this isn't a huge skull. It's not gigantic. Look at the moss that's growing on it, and you can see where the critters have been chewing at it. And this is the reason why they say don't take this sort of thing out of the woods, because it adds to the biodiversity. And as tempted as I am, I'm not going to, because it's been here for a long time. If it was a fresh drop, I think I would. But so what do we got? We got one tine and we got two here. Look at all the chew marks. So we got ourselves, oh no, we don't. There's a tine down here. I don't want to lift it because it's been here. It just looks so perfect here. I'm not going to take it home. I've got one on my wall anyways. It was a deer that got hit by a car, hung out down in the woods in my front yard while his leg rotted off. And then I found his skull after we had a pretty good January cold snap. But he did grow antlers and he did get through to the rut. So yeah, I'm just gonna leave this here. But what a beautiful, beautiful thing to find in the woods. Wow. Jeez, I'll be damned. Well, well.